For the place value football game, you want to open up the PowerPoint presentation and you'll be taken to this screen. You can click on the football, and the next screen basically gives you some classroom directions. The following screen will look like the top left here that says place value football, and it has 4 different spinners. So based on the powers of 10, you have 4 different versions of displaying that. You could say that, it's 10 times greater, 10 times smaller, 100 times greater, 1,000 times smaller. That would be option 1. Option 2, we are sticking with the 10 times greater, but then for the smaller numbers, it would be multiplying by 1/10 or 1/100th. Then for spinner number 3, we just have multiplying by 10 or multiplying by a fraction of 10. And then in section 4 or spinner 4, we have the powers of 10, like 10 squared, 10 to the 3rd power, and so on. Now, just so you know, you can actually go in to any one of these spinners and change the wording to whatever you would like it to be. And if, as a 5th grade, you decide that you want something different, I'm more than happy to come up with whatever kind of spinner you want. All right, so as a teacher, you're going to click on the spinner, and that will take you to the next screen here, which is the football field. So you'll want to divide your team up into the blue team and the red team. And there's a spinner at the top, and you click on the spinner, and it will take you to the spin wheel. And if you hit the green spin button, it will spin, and then when you hit the spin button again, it will stop at a power of 10. So then you click on the football, and it will take you back to the blue-red team field. And I personally would start the ball on the 50-yard line, which is the tens place. And then from there, you're going to move the ball to the left or to the right based on whether it was a power of a 10 that made the number greater or smaller place value. I'm just going to take you real quick through an example here. So on the next screen, we'll do spinner number 1. And I'm going to start the ball on the 50-yard line. The blue pom-poms make the ball disappear. The red pom-poms or the maroon pom-poms make the ball appear. So disappear, appear. Okay, so we're going to start on the tens place, and I'm going to go to the spinner, spin it, and stop. It says 10 times smaller. So I hit the football to go back. 10 times smaller would be the ones place. So I hit the red pom-pom, and then I hit the blue pom-pom underneath the 50-yard line ball. Then you go back to the spinner, spin again. Now it's 100 times smaller. And so I'm going to go 2 places to the right. Now my football's at the 100th place. And then I hit the blue pom-pom to make it disappear. Spin again. And 10 times smaller again. So now I'm going to move the ball from the 100th place to the 1000th place by clicking on the pom-poms. Okay, and one more time. 10 times smaller again. This is working out great because I actually do want to make a touchdown here. And then for the touchdown, you will hit the pom-pom in the end zone, and your team gets a point. And then you can start over again at the 50-yard line. All right? And that's how you play. To go back to the home screen, you just click on the back of the home screen page, and you can pick the different spinners. So again, I'm more than happy to change the spinners if you'd like. And the last slides contain printables for your kids to print out for your homeroom, and I will do that for you and drop them off. But there you have it.